Oh no, what's that? Okay, it's goofy, but that does not look easy. Oh, it's just like it's only 4 or 5 colors. Oh no. So hello everybody, it's Mystery Monday again. I picked the last bag I had from this delivery. I had 20 puzzles in there, and I think I showed you every single one, so that's cool. The reason why I saved this one for last, so that's that one, is that it just does not look appealing for me. It looks like, I don't know, it's a lot of green, of brown, of blue. I can't spot. I think I saw Goofy or something. So I guess it's a Disney one, but I don't know. It's not very appealing. There are a lot of pieces in here, so I guess it's 1,000 pieces. Normally I do this Mystery Monday are like 500 or sometimes 750 pieces, but in this case I guess it's 1,000. But I'll have to do it if I like it or not. It's the last one from the box, and then I can send it away again. And yes, I'm not very happy about it, but let's see together what it is, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I've done it. It wasn't a blast, it wasn't much fun, but I've done it. I think that thing is called Goofy, and I wasn't aware of how many Goofies there can be in one picture, but apparently a lot. And yeah, that's what you see here. It's Goofy, and Goofy, and there's another Goofy, and there's another Goofy. So you've got a lot of Goofies, and they are all goofy. Yeah, that wasn't much fun. So to do this without the image was quite tricky, because there was a lot of green and blue and goofies. So yes, but I've done it. I went through it, and that was the hardest Mystery Monday I did since now. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see us on the next one, I hope. And if you like what you saw, you could hit the like button, or you could consider to subscribe to support me. Thank you very much, guys. See you. Bye bye.